Ever found yourself scrolling through endless lists of bank requirements, wishing there was an easier way? Maybe you're juggling work, family, or just the general hustle, and the thought of physically going to a bank feels like adding another item to an already overflowing to-do list. You're not alone. In today's fast-paced world, convenience is king, and that extends to how we manage our finances. So, the question on many minds is, can you actually open a Patriot bank account online? Well, let's dive into that and explore the world of digital banking with Patriot Bank. We'll uncover whether they offer the convenience of online applications, what that process might look like, and what you need to know to get started. First things first, who exactly is Patriot Bank? For those unfamiliar, Patriot Bank is a financial institution that aims to provide a range of banking services to individuals and businesses. They often emphasize community focus and personalized service. But in this digital age, having a strong online presence and accessible online services is crucial. So, the burning question remains, can you skip the trip to a physical branch and apply for a Patriot Bank account from the comfort of your own home? The answer, generally speaking, is yes. Patriot Bank, like many modern banks, typically offers the option to apply for certain accounts online. This is a significant advantage for those who value efficiency and prefer to handle their banking needs digitally. However, it's not always a one-size-fits-all situation. The availability of online applications can sometimes depend on the specific type of account you're interested in. For instance, a simple checking or savings account might have a straightforward online application process, while more complex accounts, like certain business accounts or specialized investment accounts, might require a more in-depth process that could involve some in-person interaction or document verification. Let's assume you're interested in a standard personal checking or savings account. What can you generally expect from the online application process with a bank like Patriot Bank? While the exact steps might vary slightly, here's a common roadmap. 1. Visiting the Patriot Bank website. Your first step will likely be navigating to the official Patriot Bank website. Look for sections like Personal Banking, Accounts, or Open an Account. These sections will usually guide you to the available account types and the application process. 2. Choosing your account. Once you're on the relevant page, you'll likely see a list of different account options. Take some time to review the features and benefits of each account to determine which one best suits your financial needs. Consider factors like minimum balance requirements, interest rates, if applicable, fees, and any specific perks offered. 3. Starting the application. After you've chosen an account, you should find a button or link that says something like Apply Now, Open Account Online, or similar. Clicking this will initiate the online application form. 4. Providing personal information. This is where you'll need to enter your personal details. Expect to provide information such as your full name, date of birth, social security number, or equivalent identification number, current residential address, contact information, phone number and email address, and potentially your employment details. Be sure to have this information readily available to make the process smoother. Accuracy is key here, so double-check everything before moving on. 5. Verifying your identity. Banks are legally required to verify the identity of their customers. The online process might involve different methods of verification. You might be asked to answer security questions, provide a copy of your driver's license or other government-issued ID, which you can usually upload through the website or a mobile app, or even participate in a video call for identity confirmation in some cases. 6. Reviewing and agreeing to terms and conditions. Before submitting your application, you will be presented with the terms and conditions associated with the account you're applying for. It's crucial to read these carefully to understand your rights and responsibilities, as well as any fees or charges that might apply. 7. Funding your account. Most banks require an initial deposit to open a new account. The online application process will likely guide you on how to fund your account electronically. This could involve linking an existing bank account using your routing and account numbers, making a debit card payment, or potentially using a service like Zelle. 8. Submitting your application. Once you've completed all the required fields, reviewed the information, and funded your account, if required, you'll be able to submit your application electronically. 9. Confirmation and next steps. after submitting your application, you should receive a confirmation email or notification from Patriot Bank. This confirmation might include your account number and instructions on any further steps you need to take. In some cases, the bank might need additional information or documentation, so keep an eye on your email and any communication from them. Potential considerations and tips. Website security. When applying for a bank account online, always ensure that you are on the legitimate Patriot Bank website. Look for the https:// in the website address and a padlock icon in your browser's address bar, which indicate a secure connection. Mobile app. Patriot Bank might also offer a mobile app that allows you to start or complete the account application process. Check their website or app store for their official app. Required documents. Before you begin, it's a good idea to have electronic copies of your driver's license or other government-issued ID readily available, as you might need to upload them during the application. Internet connection. Ensure you have a stable and reliable internet connection throughout the application process to avoid any interruptions or errors. Customer support. If you encounter any issues or have questions during the online application process, don't hesitate to reach out to Patriot Bank's customer support. They should be able to assist you with any technical difficulties or provide clarification on specific requirements. You can usually find their contact information, phone number, email, or live chat on their website. Account activation. Once your application is approved, you might need to take additional steps to fully activate your account, such as setting up online banking access or ordering a debit card. Follow the instructions provided by Patriot Bank. Review account details. After your account is open, take some time to review all the account details, including interest rates, fees, and transaction limits, to ensure everything aligns with your expectations. What if online application isn't fully available? While many banks offer comprehensive online account opening, there might be situations where certain aspects require in-person interaction. For example, complex accounts. As mentioned earlier, some specialized accounts might necessitate a visit to a branch to discuss your specific needs with a bank representative. Certain verification issues. If there are difficulties verifying your identity online, the bank might require you to visit a branch with your identification documents. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.